Stop by and take a look at the 2007 Sky. The Saturn Sky is a two-seat roadster designed to compete against the Mazda MX-5 Miata and other roadsters and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.